Have Trailer, Let's Travel. This is Lisa Staltari and Chris Staltari, and we're going to show you a little bit of the Railroad Museum in Durango, Colorado. We will be taking the train in the next video, but before we took the train, we had a lovely tour of the Railroad Museum, and it is complimentary. There's no ticket or anything like that. They obviously suggest a donation, which we absolutely did. And it was a lovely thing to go around and look at how important this railroad was to Durango and Silverton and the area. Really, really an impactful. They packed a lot of things in this fairly small museum, but absolutely one to check out. We hope you enjoy this very brief look inside the Durango Railroad Museum. We really enjoyed ourselves. And don't forget that all around it, there are lots of shops and restaurants. It really is an extremely welcoming place. We hope you get to a chance to get to know Durango. Thanks so much for letting us share our adventures with you. We really appreciate you sharing your time with us. Until next time, we'll see you somewhere on the road.